creating RESTful API using Flask and Python. Hi, in this session we are going to see how we are going to use Python for providing a RESTful web service for the given data. Let us get into the demo now. We are going to use the rev time only. These are the basics, right? We are going to read the data from this file. This is the file. See here, if you see this data is available over here, then we are going to run this program and let's see, save. We are going to run this program. Okay, it is fetching the data, but our aim is not to print like this. Instead, we are going to add a Flask framework. For providing this RESTful web service, we are going to use the Flask framework. I'm going to add this import because already I conda install Flask in this PyTest environment, PyTest virtual environment. Here I added this. Then I'm going to add the very simple stuff called the app name. I'm going to add. This is very important. Then how we are going to add it? This is the one. In the browser, if I search for collect using the get method, this function will be called. The function name is the index. Okay. The what value that I am going to pass after that collect, that we have to fetch it using this request aux. Then in the value, what are the after collect, if I pass value equal to, that value will be placed over here. Then I'm going to see this value. Okay. Then from this, how I am going to get. Okay. Here I'm going to prepare a list called debag. I'm initializing it, the list with null, then count I'm initializing as 0. Then using this for loop, iterating this de list, because independent of this web service, all this data will be fetched in advance and will be kept over here. Then if the given value, for example, I'm pausing like there are so many values are here like good, then bad, marginal. If I pause, that value will be searched over here using this if value in I. Then I am going to put this over here. Every time I keep incrementing the count, and to that debag, appending this list with the count. Okay. Actually, here I need not add this index, but even then let it be. That let us not change anything. Then how we are going to put this value outside? I need to come over here, call return. That's it. I am saving it and I'm going to execute this program. Okay, but it is not returning as a web service. So for that, what do I need to do? I need to give the host name and the port number. Here I am going to give. Yes, the host name is by default that local host and the port is 5002. Right, let me save it and rerun again so that it will be transformed as a web service, the RESTful API I'm providing over here. Okay, it started. Then I'm going to run this using here. What is the value? What is the web service? That name is collect. That's the endpoint. Collect. Then I have to put question mark value equal to good. Let me give like this 127.0.0. 1. Yes. See, the good is coming. Let me check for bad. Yes, bad is also coming. Then moderate. There is nothing called moderate. Let me see its unique value. Sorry, marginal. Not moderate, marginal. Yes, marginal. So now this is called the RESTful API. Now we will add another logic over here to find the unique values. How we are going to get the unique values from the given list. Okay, the unique method name is unique, endpoint is unique, and this method will be called get unique list will be called. So how we are going to prepare this unique list from the same DE back, the DE list of 0 is given because I need to initialize. Otherwise, it is getting confused between dictionary and set. Purposely, I'm giving it a set. Then from the DE list, I'm keep adding into the DE bad this set. Whenever we are using set, already we have seen in the very first lesson that it will be um, re registered as an unique value. Then I'm adding this DE bad into the DE list. That's it, very simple. Then I'm returning it. Just I'm putting only the unique values, nothing else. DE list. Save. Here instead of collect, I'm going to give unique. Yes, the unique values obtained over here. I don't want this /n. So for that, I can do something like R frame. That's it. So the rightmost values will be taken out. Sorry, not R print. We have to use R strip. Not in this place, I should not use. Maybe here it helps. Yes, the /n got disappeared. Now all the unique values got obtained over here. Now I need to collect the stats. Okay, not only the unique values, and also I need to collect the stats. How I am going to collect the stats? So here first I'm going to, we can return the another function called stats. The same thing, I'm copying it over here and I'm doing stat. Okay. I need to have that same methods over here. In fact, I can keep it outside, but even then, I'm not interested in keeping it like this. Under that D stat I'm writing, and initially here what I'm going to do, I'm iterating this D list. Okay, in D list, all the unique values got appended over here. Then here I'm initializing the count with the zeros. Then for I'm iterating this D list value over in this D list one value into this D list, because D list is having unique values and D list is complete set of descriptions. Then if I is in J, what I'm going to do, I'm going to increment the count. Perfect. This for the if condition got over. Now inside this for loop, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign this value over here. Right? Actually, this for loop will be taken place over here. The count of 7, count colon 7 isn't justification. Okay, the right justification I'm giving. Then val, I'm passing the values like this. Now I am adding this value into this dstat. Now I'm going to return this values, right? I'm coming out of this for loop, and here I'm going to write or return JSONify dstat, saving it like unique. I'm going to get stat. Why it's not working? Oh, it threw an error. Okay, it is telling undent does not match any of the outer indentation value dstat dlist. Which line number? It's showing line number 52. Okay, it is calling that get stats. First, I need to restart it. Yes, in the stat, I got all these values. One, how many the unique values are given over here. We got it, right? Now, um, let us go back to this unique. Otherwise, we can go to collect. Here we have seen the stat, then unique. It is like this. What I'm going to do, collect question mark value equal to, I'm giving that exact the number called bad up to this end. I'm going to give, sorry, unique. It's telling 160 values are given over here, right? Collect question mark value equal to, yes, the 160 values written over here. I don't want, because it will not be evident. We can't sit and count all 160. Now again, I'll put collect value equal to, only 2 records has to come. Yes, the 2 records came. So now successfully we hosted RESTful web service. So it's in very simple methods only. In the next session, we will see how we are going to add HTML to this, the Flask framework. Thank you.